Hey everyone! If you're looking to kick your metabolism into high gear and shed some extra fat, you've come to the right place. I'm here to share some proven strategies that can help supercharge your metabolism and make your body a fat-burning machine. Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about nutrition. Eating the right foods can significantly boost your metabolic rate. Incorporating protein-rich foods in your meals is a game changer. Why? Because your body burns more calories digesting protein compared to fats or carbs. So, stock up on lean meats, eggs, and legumes. Next up, hydration. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for a well-functioning metabolism. Sometimes, when you think you're hungry, you're actually just dehydrated. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and if you're active, you'll need even more to stay hydrated. Now, let's get moving. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is your best friend when it comes to revving up your metabolism. These quick, intense bursts of exercise help increase your metabolic rate and keep it high even after you've finished working out. So, throw in some sprints or fast-paced bodyweight workouts into your routine. Don't forget about strength training. Muscle mass naturally diminishes with age, but lifting weights can help counteract this loss. More muscle means a faster resting metabolic rate. Incorporate full-body workouts that target all major muscle groups to maximize your results. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Lack of sleep can mess with your metabolism, making it harder to lose weight. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night to keep your metabolic engine running smoothly. To wrap things up, boosting your metabolism involves a combination of the right diet, sufficient hydration, effective exercise, and plenty of rest. Start incorporating these tips into your routine, and you'll be on your way to a faster metabolism and quicker fat loss in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and let's get those gains.